What's going on? My name is Albert. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Huang Bros. It's that time of the month again. It's time to do an oil change on the GTR. Alright, first thing, we're gonna jack up the car. My car is kind of low, so I have to put like wood blocks and then drive on top. And then you gotta make sure you get in these stand thing or the lid points right here at the jack points. There's 4 of them on the car. It's gonna be one here, and there's gonna be another one there. You can do it on the other side too. And then we're gonna raise up the car. But before you raise up the car, you want to make sure you go ahead and release the latch, get the hood open, and then from here all the way here, and you make sure you want to loosen that up. It helps with the flow of the oil when it comes out. Ah, there we go. Oh, I gotta fix that. Need to fix that. I'll fix that later. Yep, it's open, good to go. I'm gonna leave that there. And then we're just gonna raise up the car. Thank you. All right, jack point's good. Thank you, thank you. I gotta take this guy off. I already took these bumper tabs off. I had to go get something out of my car. But yeah, take these guys off, and then I broke my thing, but just gotta cut this thing off. Cut it. There we go. And we're good to go. Bam. All right. Set this down. And the oil drain plug is right here. You got the oil filter right there. Easy. Wow, that was the last time wow, it's been a month. Holy crap. Drove a lot of miles within the month. But yeah, oil filter, and you got the oil here. Super simple, nothing crazy. Doing an oil change on a GTR is pretty easy and cheap. All right guys, once you guys raised up the car, you're gonna need yourself an oil catch. You can do that, or like a little oil drain pan thing. You're gonna need an oil filter wrench, or I have an oil filter cap. You're going to need, I believe it's a 17. Let's check on this. Nope. Fail. Definitely not a 17. We'll go with 15. 15 here. Nope, too big. All right, so I guess that doesn't work. We'll go with 14. Oh, perfect. 14 is the one. This is the one. Okay, take that. And we're gonna basically drain it. This, one of these. Okay, it's raised. Lefty loosey. There we go. Take that, and then, oh, fail. That was fail. Oh no, I cracked it open. Nice. And let me back this up before I. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, there we go. Wow, that's dark. That is dark. And it's only been like 3,500 miles. Wow. And this is why I changed my oil every 3,333. The book says change it every 6,000 miles, but I don't even do that. I used to do 5,000, and then at some point 5,000 miles, it was before 5,000 miles hit, it was telling me I need to add more oil around 3,800. So I was like, screw it, I'm not gonna add new oil into old oil. So what I did is I decided to do oil changes every 3,333 miles. So, and that's helped a lot. I don't have to add new oil into old oil anymore. And man, look at that. Adding new oil into that, it's just gonna make it contaminated again. So it's pretty much pointless. Yeah, I'm gonna let that drain out, and then I'm gonna take down the oil filter. That should pop in. Good enough. Good enough for government work. Yes. Very nice, very nice. And it's, there we go. Yeah, I got lucky with that. I didn't even like position the oil pan. There it is. Original Nissan genuine. Yep. Forge Performance did my last oil change when I broke something. And they had to do a whole new oil change because they had to take down the engine to take out or replace the oil feed line to the passenger turbo. So they use genuine parts from Nissan. That's nice. Pretty cheap to do your own oil change, you guys. I think I'm going with the 8100 X Max. That's about like 50 bucks. And then you have the Mobil 1 filter. I think all, you know, filters are filters, but the brand that I prefer is obviously OEM, Mobil 1, and the K&N filter. So they're all good filters in my opinion. Yeah, so pretty cheap. Oil filter, probably about like, what, 10 bucks, 12 bucks. Oil is 50 bucks, so total like 60 something bucks. Not bad. All right, we're just gonna let that drain out, and then we'll just put it all back together and call it good. Super simple to do an oil change on a Nissan GTR. It's like doing an oil change on any other car, really. Super simple, super simple. All right, we're gonna go to our Mobil 1 filter, which is the 110A. Our 110 Alpha. Take this. We're gonna lube it up. Just gonna lube it up just a little bit, just a wee bit. Take some oil from the old one. Lube it up. There you go. Yep, should be lubed. It's kind of messy here. Let's go ahead and clean that first. And that's it. Bam, clean. Take the oil filter and just reach from the back side because it helps not getting your hands stuck from this sway bar. All right. Should be hand tighten. All right, hand tighten. Let's get it nice and tight, nice and tight. My hand torque says we're good. And just, okay, good to go. Hand torque is good. It's in there. Now we just gotta install back the drain plug. So just wipe that off real quick. Take the drain bolt and just stick it in there. Come on, there we go. And good to go. Now we're just going to tighten it with the ratchet. Not too tight. Just once you feel it's tight, just do a little, like a quarter turn-ish. Not really quarter turn, but like just tight enough. You don't want to do it too tight, otherwise you're gonna strip the thread. But yeah, that's it. And then we're just gonna install the panel, and we should be good to go. All right, guys. What I like to do before installing the underbelly panel thing, I like to put in the oil first, because you don't know if you're gonna have an oil leak or whatever. So just keep it uninstalled, add in the oil first. Oh, see, this is why I like multiple. It's fancy. It's a fancy, I guess, container. Take that out. Pop this sucker, and we're just gonna, hopefully it doesn't spill on me. Voila. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna add the entire bottle, because that's gonna be perfect, because it's gonna hit its optimum capacity, because this car takes like 5.6 or something like that, 5.6 liters. but the optimum oil level for this car is at like 5 liters. So I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, and once you're absolutely done, you just go ahead and take it off and, you know, cap it off. Super simple. Now, once we cap it off, we're going to raise this car up because we need to visually inspect the bottom, see if it is leaking. Plus, you also have to put the underbelly panel thing. As you can see, we are not leaking anything, so that's a good sign. Very good sign. As you can see, it's also not leaking here either. No leaks. Perfect. So now we can just install back the panel and we'll call it good. Take this guy, so I gotta go get more zip ties because I broke mine or whatever. My panel's all sorts of broken, so I'm gonna make a new one eventually. But yep, take this old one and just gonna slide this sucker in here. Bam! See how easy that was? Push it in there, all right, and then bam. Same thing. Push. It's not lining up right. Oh, there we go. And bam. Where's the other two? We got one here and one here. Make sure you push these guys out. And then you're just gonna insert and push in. And then same thing, make sure this is on the outside. And voila. And it should be nice and tight going left and right. And then I'm going to do the zip tie thing right here and call it good. All right, just like that, we are good to go. All right, so it's nice and tight. See, it's not pulling down or nothing, and moving left and right, it's pretty much difficult. So yeah, I know I should replace this, but you know what? That GTR tax is not fun. You know, Nissan was gonna charge like, I think 800 bucks or 500 bucks for that, and I'm missing another panel right here. This whole panel right here, this thing is like $2,000. Ridiculous. I can make my own aluminum, like my own aluminum underbelly panel thing for like way cheaper. I just bust a couple of holes and be good to go, you know. But yeah, super easy. Oh, if you don't have zip ties in your car, you're not a real car guy. Am I right? Am I right? Let me know in the comment section below. Real car guys have shop towels and zip ties in their cars at all times. All right, the car is back on level ground. Now we're gonna check the oil. I pulled up this reference, but here it says, in the owner's manual, it says, I don't know if you guys can see it, it says, Nissan recommends to adjust the engine oil level to 10 millimeters or 0.39 inches below the H mark on the engine oil dipstick. Let's see if you guys can see that. Probably not, but I went ahead and I marked it on my, if you see that bend, by the H mark, which is the top dot, that's the marker. So when you add 5 liters, it should be perfect. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna reset A. Reset, hold the button, and there we go. Boom. Okay. All right. If you guys learned something today, let me know what you guys learned in the comment, in addition to the zip ties and the shop towels. But yeah, hey, if you're not following the channel already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner of the video. It would really help out the channel for my brother and I. We're really trying to hit 1,000. We're almost there. We're at 800 and like something today. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks. Bye. Peace.